At present, there are two mainstream thermal management methods for lithium battery units: air cooling and liquid cooling. The air cooling system is simple, has low manufacturing cost, is easy to install, and can be quickly delivered and deployed. However, the air cooling system is large in size, greatly affected by the external environment, and has a large temperature difference in the heat dissipation of the battery cells, which poses many problems in terms of system safety, efficiency, and economy. Liquid-cooled energy storage just solves the above problems. The scale of energy storage project construction is getting larger and larger, and the battery cell capacity and system energy density also need to be continuously improved. Taking a 100 megawatt energy storage project as an example, it requires a combination of hundreds of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of battery cells, which puts higher requirements on the temperature control management of the energy storage system.